For anyone who has started learning computer science, you're going to start hearing about something called Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP. OOP is a very useful programming style. It can be applied in banks, hospitals, schools, and many other settings. The idea is to create objects that can store information, perform certain actions, and interact with each other. Using the bank account example, let's say someone wants to create an account. You would create a class called account and give it details such as a name, password, PIN, balance, date joined, and so on. The account class is like a template. Later, you can create an account variable and call the account constructor. Then you fill in the parameters needed to create an account for a particular person. This specific account is an instance of the class account. If you want to perform tasks that involve several items that may be similar or have the same qualities, object-oriented programming is needed. I'll leave some links below on more detailed tutorials about OOP in several languages. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video useful.